one. Boycott Beijing Olympic 2022. China should not be allowed to host the Olympics. They have the worst human rights track record. The International Olympic Committee should hold China accountable. We are aware that many countries have said they're going to do a diplomatic boycott, but that's not enough. What a diplomatic boycott basically means is that the officials are going to skip the event, but they're going to send the athletes, which means Xi Jinping still gets to put on a grand show. They should do a complete boycott. They don't deserve to host the Olympics because they have such bad human rights track record. Boycott Beijing Olympic 2022, and everyone must speak up.
Boycott Beijing Olympic 2022. No rights, no change. Boycott Beijing Olympic 2022. No human rights, no Olympic Games.
Boycott Beijing 2022. It's #genocide games.